Yeah, life. Life is the only thing we need. They need me to go, but I don't wanna leave. Rest in peace, Lil' Kid. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a pen of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Hot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole sound suave, but I can't get recalled. Bro think he John Wayne, I bought him Yellowstone.